how to delete your survivor.io account in 2025. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your survivor.io account. After the latest update, the delete account option is no longer available in the app. If you check the settings, you won't find the option to delete your account anymore. So to delete your account, you need to contact survivor.io support. Here's how. You open the settings and tap on the feedback button. You'll see different options like save issues, purchase issues, network issues, and you're supposed to click contact us. So type a message saying you want to delete your account. Username. Include your username in the message. And then type your email so that they can contact you. After submitting it, just wait for the survivor.io support team to process your request. That's it.